Hey, jet setters! Welcome to Travel en Route. Before you buckle up and take off on your next adventure, it's crucial to nail down the perfect travel outfit. But wait, there's a fine line between chic and airplane challenged. In this video, we're here to guide you through the fashion turbulence and highlight the travel outfits to not wear in the airplane. From impractical footwear to wardrobe choices that could make you the subject of airport fashion faux pas, we've got you covered. Fasten your seatbelts, and let's navigate through the style do's and don'ts for a smoother and more comfortable journey. Airplane travel can be uncomfortable, so it's important to choose comfortable clothing that will allow you to relax and enjoy your flight. Here are a few things to avoid wearing on the plane. First, tight-fitting clothing. Tight-fitting clothing can restrict your movement and make you feel uncomfortable, especially when you're sitting for long periods of time. Avoid wearing jeans, skirts, or tops that are too tight. Second, high heels. High heels can be painful and uncomfortable to wear, especially when you're walking through the airport or standing in line. Opt for comfortable shoes that you can easily slip on and off. Third, bulky jewelry. Bulky jewelry can be cumbersome and get in the way, especially when you're trying to go through airport security. Avoid wearing large necklaces, bracelets, or earrings. Fourth, skimpy clothing. Skimpy clothing can make you feel uncomfortable and self-conscious, especially when you're surrounded by other people. Avoid wearing anything too revealing or that might show too much skin. Fifth, fragrance. Some people are sensitive to fragrance, and wearing too much perfume or cologne can make you feel sick or give you a headache. Avoid wearing fragrance on the plane, or opt for a light scent. Sixth, flip-flops or sandals. Flip-flops and sandals are not very supportive, and they can easily fall off your feet. Opt for closed-toe shoes that will keep your feet comfortable and protected. And seventh, contact lenses. If you wear contact lenses, it's a good idea to bring along a pair of glasses in case your eyes get dry or irritated. The air on airplanes can be very dry, and this can make contact lenses uncomfortable. Instead, opt for comfortable, loose-fitting clothing that will allow you to relax and enjoy your flight. Here are a few ideas. Joggers or sweatpants. Joggers or sweatpants are comfortable and easy to move around in. They're also a good option if you're planning on sleeping on the plane. A loose-fitting t-shirt or tank top. A loose-fitting t-shirt or tank top will allow you to move around freely and won't restrict your movement. A cardigan or sweater. A cardigan or sweater is a good option if you're feeling cold on the plane. It's also a good layer to have on hand if you're planning on sleeping. Comfortable shoes. Comfortable shoes are essential for airplane travel. Opt for a pair of sneakers or flats that you can easily slip on and off. A scarf or neck pillow. A scarf or neck pillow can provide support and comfort, especially if you're planning on sleeping on the plane. By following these tips, you can choose comfortable clothing that will make your airplane travel experience more enjoyable. As our travel fashion saga comes to a close, we hope you've gleaned some valuable insights into the dos and definitely don'ts of airplane attire. Remember, comfort is key, and a well-thought-out ensemble can make your journey as enjoyable as the destination itself. If you've enjoyed this guide to travel outfits to not wear in the airplane, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, and share your own fashion wisdom in the comments below. Safe travels, stylish explorers, and until next time, happy trails!